Latest Craigslist find. Coleman CC 100X. Got a torn seat. Brakes are kind of iffy. Torque converter, clutch, you can see where the chain's been rubbing on it. It looks all goofy. Chain's probably loose. That's loose. Probably should have looked over this a little bit better than I did. It's got a bald tire. Tire's good up front. Came with another tire. Don't know why the brake is on the same side. I don't know. Throttle kind of slips a little bit. It's got the factory 3-horse 100cc engine on it still. Couple minor issues. Guy said it just needs a rear tire. Well, upon further inspection, the whole bearing is blown out, and I don't know if it got into the axle. I'm assuming it did. Hopefully it didn't. Don't know if I need new spacers or not. If you roll it, see where the sprocket is bent. Sprocket's bent. I can probably straighten that out with a hammer. Still got the VIN, it's not stolen. I don't have a title for it. Still got the VIN up front, they match. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a Predator swap on this and turn it into a Hemi, or what I'm gonna do with it. Probably get it up and running for sure. It runs, there's no kill switch. Just choke it, but let's sit here and run for start. So you can see where the sprocket is bent, how it's wobbling. That's pretty bad. That's probably what's causing the clutch to get scraped up. It runs, besides the wheel bearing. Choke it should go off. I've been killing it. I don't have a kill switch hooked up for it. Yeah, the guy gave me a kill switch, but I didn't hook it up. I'm not sure where I'm going with this. So yeah, I'm not sure. If I should build it or leave it how it is. Obviously, I'm going to fix the wheel bearing and stuff, and probably bend the axle out, or bend the sprocket back straight. Maybe take a hammer or a punch or something, and you see, he must have been doing burnouts or something. See, it's all scraped up. Brakes are kind of, factory brakes. They suck. They're junk on these things. They're loose, and they don't really. I've tightened them up and stuff, and they're just trying to figure out where the right pressure is at for the brakes. Tighten the cables up and stuff. Yeah, definitely in this thing a lot more than what I thought it was. It's kind of one of those deals where the guy didn't want to talk that much, and kind of rolled the bike out before I even had a chance to really look it over, and was already putting it in the truck bed. But that's my fault. Not a big deal. I got another project to do. I can order some parts and do like a little montage video, keep stuff going. So it's just a Coleman 100cc. Like I said, not sure if I want to do the 212 swap on it, leave it how it is. I got a new tire for it. It came with it. Besides that, gotta order some stuff. Pretty basic. I'll probably put the wheel bearing in it. It doesn't really drive that good with the wheel bearing shot how it is. It doesn't really get up and at them. I don't know if the clutch is shot or if the wheel bearing's bad, but whenever I get on it, it doesn't want to move. Maybe this little 100cc isn't strong enough. But I got a Doodle Bug. It's got a 212 on it, stage 1 and all that good stuff. No governor, and not sure if I want to make another one or keep it how it is. But try to keep updated when the parts come in. See, maybe make a little series about this. Trying to get this bike up and running. We'll see. I don't know. It's in rough shape. More rough shape than I thought. But I haven't even looked at the air filter, if it even has one. So, no surprise there. It's pretty shot. Reeks of oil. This engine might be bad if it's burning oil, throwing oil like this. Somebody didn't put it in right, they ripped the filter. So, probably get a filter for it. And maybe that's why it's running like shit. You can see the... I thought I could see the oil come out when I put this in. Yeah, see if you look real close. I don't know if you can see it, there's a little bit of oil coming out whenever I push it in there. So, yeah, my hands are covered in oil. Well, that's not good. That's probably why it's burning oil or something to get in the intake. Right through the valve cover, I assume. Probably got a bunch of blow-by, who knows. I mean, this bike is like, it's from 2014, so it's 6 years old, factory engine still, so maybe it does need a 212 swap on it. So I'll get this up and running. I'll put this filter back on real quick and then I'll start it up one last time, let it run. Fine pitch threads on this thing. I'll show you the, I mean, it starts up. Oh. Well, dropped it off the jack stand. Dropped it off the jack stand, that one, idiot. Let's try this again. There you have it. My Craigslist find of a Coleman 100X.